Alright, it is 6:40 in the morning, just like I started the video the other day. I just got off of work. And we had just some sprinkles out here, but I mean, it's a mess on the ground. Let's see, this thing's big on. I don't know if you can see the wind blowing. All this shit going crazy. We lost a tree at work. Is the Grady White factory here in beautiful Greenville, North Carolina. This direction, clouds are getting a lot worse. Oh, poor house. Oh no. This is the first casualty I've seen. Oh no. Well, that could be worse. But that's in there. The carpet's at least wet. This is where we done lost some trees, man. So we still. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, we might be fucked getting out of here. If everything's alright, I might just double check and go back. We're almost here. Just another half a mile. I don't see. I mean, there's a lot of debris in the road, but this is just the first decent windstorm. It's knocking all this shit down, cleaning everybody's trees out. Yeah, not bad. Seems like we get a little bit more elevation when we get towards the yacht club. Yeah, we're down here by McCotter's. Let's see. Oh, yep, this is the end of the road right here. And I know them people right up there had power. Oh, the moment of truth. The moment of truth. Oh, shit. Oh, yep. My boat was. Oh, shit. Yeah. My little dinghy would be underwater. Oh my goodness. Look how high this is. Oh no. We only have just a little bit over the pylons. Yep, we're here, 7:15. And it's beautiful, calm. It's just class out there. Let's see a lot of boats that have moved. No, I don't know what we're doing. Alright. Can't get the phone to turn it on, my wet fingers. This is absolutely ridiculous. Let's go walk down here. Well, this is what I drove through this morning. That's the pay dock. Looks like it's getting flooded. The dining hall. Oh man, it's over my knees here. Let's see what we got going on. Oh, that's where we're at. Jesus Christ. Wish I could take more. Those guys anchored out are doing the best thing. Woo. Clean you up. Ain't nothing I can do here. Going back. Gentleman right there. single-handed docking the other day. He came and helped me out with my line. He's got a nice trawl that was next to us. He must have a company or something.